Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah? See, that wasn't a big deal. See, that wasn't a big deal. All right.
Come here, Bennett.
Bennett.
He wants to help.
Are you going to help too? Are you going to go next? Are you going to go next, huh? Can you want to help me? You want to
Tim, grab Bennett.
There we go. That didn't hurt.
Put your head down.
There we go. All right, put your head down here. Can you put your head down there? No, almost.
Look down the
Quick,
floor.
Almost.
look at the floor.
Boop. And flip over on your back, okay? It makes a clicky noise. Kind of sounds like popcorn, huh? Sounds like popcorn. All right. On your back. All the way down.
Lay down for me.
Lay down right over here. And look up towards the sky.
There you
go.
go.